Appreciate you joining us on Valley News Live, and temperatures are falling quickly. That sun gets low in the horizon, not much warming power at this time of the day, so we start seeing our temperatures fall off. 47 in Grand Forks. We have 50 in Devils Lake and 54 still in Oaks. This is where things warmed up a little nicer. And we have low 40s out to the far east for Bemidji, for Wadena, mid 40s right now in Detroit Lakes. It's going to be crisp out there tonight. At least we don't have a lot of wind to be concerned about. And up north near Hallock, tell you what, the birds this time of the year are looking for handouts, and thank you so much. Charlie Anderson mailed in these photos of these finches eating right out of his hand. Thanks so much again from the Hallock area. We appreciate you watching. 49 degrees and sunny skies in Fargo. Wind from the southwest at 6 miles per hour. This dew point in the temperature. Now the air temperature can fall on a long, calm and clear night down to the dew point. So we have the potential to cool off to quite chilly readings once again here in the FM area. 47 Grand Forks, a wind from the north-northwest under 10 miles per hour, but that adds a wind chill to the air. It feels like 44 in Grand Forks. More clouds for Grand Forks, Hallock, and into northwest Minnesota. The radar showing a couple of blips here. I'm not too concerned about that reaching its way all the way down to the ground. But when we look to the east of Baudette, some rain and, yes, even some blue snow showing up on the old radar once again. When we look off to the west, we got a huge ridge of high pressure blocking the storm path. So it does look like we're going to be on the high and dry side, or at least improving side, as we move through the next couple of days. But it's going to take another stint of chilly weather to contend with tonight, as temperatures will fall quickly to the 40s. You'll want that jacket if you're heading out to do any outdoor activities. The wind, though, does stay fairly quiet. Overnight, it's going to be a chilly one. Now, these clouds will actually help keep us from getting as cold as we could potentially in northwest Minnesota, but I still expect some low 20s and some low 30s to the far south. It's going to be 20s here in the FM area, and out to the south and west, things are a little bit warmer in the central Dakotas. Here's the deal. As we get going through the day, because there's sunshine out to the west, we will start rising to near 40 degrees for most by midday. Still in the 30s, though, on or near Lake of the Woods. Then as we head toward the afternoon, we're warming up nice, feeling good, and the wind still not too bad. Up 50 to 55 degree reading on your thermometers in the eastern third of North Dakota, and near 50 degree readings for many across western Minnesota. Into the evening, though, for your Saturday night, we're cooling off quickly once again, but the wind is light, so we'll take that. And even better weather in store for Sunday. Hey, here's your forecast for tonight, and no clouds and dark. Yeah, that's right. After sunset, we cool quickly into the 30s by the time we're heading to bed tonight. Then tomorrow, we start out in those 20s, rising quickly to the mid-50s, a few degrees warmer than our high today of 50 degrees. Elsewhere, 55 Valley City, warmer in Oaks, almost 60. You can see where that warm air is with the yellows there, moving into the Southern Valley, and mid-40s for many in the northwest portion of Minnesota, 52 in Lakes Country. Gene Hansen sharing another glorious shot of a sunrise near Edgeley, south central North Dakota. Beautiful this time of the year. Big Bison game, 54. We warm up into the 60s for Sunday, mainly west of the Red River. That includes Fargo and Grand Forks, and it gets even better. I've bumped up the temperature for Monday, not because I'm nice, because it looks warmer. 73 degrees, and it does look like we dropped the bucket right out of that. It's going to get a little chilly again, but look at this. Back up to near 70 by Thursday. So that is a roller coaster by definition.
But you are nice.
You are very nice.
You guys are so sweet.
Yes.
Happy Friday to you both.
Thank you.
Where the Bison are impressing this year and look to continue to improve as the season goes on. We'll have that later in sports.
There's an event in Fargo this weekend that's sure to leave its mark on some attendees. The details are straight ahead.